I'm going to show you how to set up gradient fields for data bars in the cells in the Excel app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just click on the cell that we want to have as a gradient fill, and then we click on conditional formatting here in the top row. Then we click on data bars, and here we can select either a gradient fill or a solid fill for our conditional formatting, and then select the data source, and how things change is going to be shown by the data bar in the cell. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.